Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So today we are starting a new lesson, lesson 8. Alhamdulillah. So let's see what is there in this lesson, what topic it is covered. First, we are going to read through 4 or 5 sentences and see which type of combination is there. Okay. So let's start reading. هذا Yes. Athar, I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. My question. هذا الرجل تاجر.
هذا الرجل you need to connect. هذا
الرجل تاجر وذلك الرجل طبيب.
Okay. So what does it mean? هذا
this
الرجل
this this car.
No,
no,
Rajulu is man. This man Tajirun is a businessman, or
this man is a
businessman. Yeah, merchant. Yes, very good.
This man is a merchant, and that man is a doctor.
Excellent. So, okay, next sentence.
Ism Tajiri
Mahmudun.
Ism Tajiri Mahmudun. Wasm Tabibi Sa'idun.
Yeah. So that the merchant's name is Mahmud, and the
doctor's name is Sa'id.
Very good. Do you see a combination that you already know in this sentence? Like at-tajiri is jar, and before it you have an ism which is light. Ismu, light. It is not ismun. It is ismu and no alif lam. So
it would be idafa.
Yeah, idafa. So ismu is what?
Ismu is mudaf.
Mudaf, and at-tajiri is
mudafile.
Very good. And ismu is rafa also. So this is the subject of the sentence also. Okay, subject or mubtada of the sentence. And when you have a combination, when you have a fragment, like fragment of idafa, okay, so if the first one is a mubtada or first one is a khabar, then the whole combination becomes mubtada. Are you getting my point? So mubtada is one bucket. So if like over here you have a combination, idafa combination, mudaf illaih. So if mudaf becomes mubtada, then mudaf illaih also goes with mudaf. Okay, and then we have mahmudun, which is the information or the predicate, or in Arabic we call it khabar. Okay. So ismu tajiri mahmudun wa ismu tabibi sa'idun. Then
هذا البيت للتاجر وذلك البيت للطبيب.
Yes. Haza means
This house this house this is
this house is
this
for
house is
for Lee is harf jar.
this house is for
Tajir,
Tajir,
merchant,
and this house is for merchant,
or you can
and
say this is merchant's house. This
is merchant's house,
and
that and that house, and that is the doctor's house.
Yeah, that's the doctor house. So okay, now next one.
بيت التاجر أمام المسجد وبيت الطبيب خلف المدرسة.
Yes. Baytu Tajiri.
The merchant's house.
Amama means front, on the front of.
The merchant's house is on the front of the masjid.
In front of masjid, in front of masjid.
In front of masjid, and the doctor's house
Khalfa means behind.
Is behind the university?
No, the school.
The school.
Madrasa is a school. Okay. Can you tell me which type of combination over here? This one. Baytut Tajiri.
Idafa.
Yes, Idafa. And Amam al Masjidi.
That's also Idafa.
Yes, that's also Idafa. This is Zarf. This is okay. And then Baytut Tabibi.
Baytut. That's also Idafa.
Khalf al Madrasati.
That's also Idafa.
Okay, so the one is Mubtada, Baytut Tajiri, and Amam al Masjidi, in front of Masjid is Khabar, and then again Mubtada and Khabar, because there is Waw Ataf here. Okay, and you also told me this is this combination you already know. Okay, so these are all Idafa. Look, another type of combination you can see on this page, which is هذا الرجل ذلك الرجل هذا البيت ذلك البيت هذه السيارة هذه السيارة. Again, تلك هذه السيارة. Can you see? Every time you have, like, just point out. Every time you have a pointer ism, then you have another ism, pointer ism, then you have another ism with al. Look, ذَلِكَ الرَّجُلُ. Can you see? And here, which one is pointer ism and which one is ism?
Like Hada and Gadika.
Haza is pointer and al baitu is
just ism.
Just ism with al. It is marfa with al. And then hazihi sayyaratu. So this particular combination is the topic of this new lesson. You know, in which this is another fragment, another type of fragment in which the first one is The first one is
The first one is
a
pointerism.
pointerism. A pointerism. Okay, a pointerism. And the second one is any ism with al. Any other ism with
Al.
al. Can you take a picture of this? So that you know this is new. Let me write it down here. This is pointer fragment, or Ism Ishara fragment. Okay, take a picture of this, and I'm going to take you to another lesson, which just to explain and just to know something about this compound, this new fragment. Okay. Okay, let me, this one. Oh, I need to first I need to first clear all the writings, and then yes, this is pointer fragment or مركب اشاري. Okay, say it with me. مركب اشاري. مركب اشاري. This is pointer fragment, and in this pointer fragment there is a combination of two ism. Okay, one pointer ism like hada, hazihi, tilka, zalika, ulaika, haulai, all type of pointer ism, and then another ism with al. Okay. Okay, this fragment is made up of two parts. The first is a pointer word, Ism Ishara. The second is that which is being pointed at. Okay, one ism is the pointer word, hada, tilka, ism, zalika. These words are pointer word, and the ism to which you are pointing in a sentence, that is mushar illaih. Okay, that ism would come always with al, never without al. Okay, so just after haza, any ism with al. Just after tilka, any ism with al. The moment you see haza, hazihi, tilka, ulaika, zalika, followed by an ism with al, then you are going to recognize that this is pointer fragment. Okay. So for example, an example of such a fragment in English would be that cow. Hazihil baqaratu. Always al would come. Otherwise, it would become a sentence. If al doesn't come, then it would make a sentence. Okay. Now, important points for the pointing fragment. The rules for this fragment are as follows: that the Ism Ishara or pointerism and the mushar illaih must match in all four properties. Okay, and the mushar illaih, the word which the ism to which you are pointing at, must have an al on it. Okay, and they come together. Both come close to each other in a sentence. Nothing can come between Ism Ishara and its mushar illaih. Okay, and these are the pointer ism: hada, hadihi, And the plural form is haulai for both. Okay, haza is this, these. Okay.
I think you're showing the wrong page.
No, this is another. This is my another series. This is not from Madinah book. This is not
No,
from
but it
Madinah.
no, it's still on the lesson 8 page.
Which page?
The lesson 8.
Oh, sorry. Now look. This is pointer. I was teaching you important points for pointer fragment. Pointer fragment, مركب اشاري. Okay, so pointer fragment is made up of 2 parts. Okay, the first one is always what?
It's a pointing ism.
Yeah, pointing ism. Which one?
Like hada and
Hazihi, hazihi, dhalika, tilka, ulaika. Okay, and the second one is which type of ism?
Regular ism with al.
With al. Very good. Anytime you see a word, anytime you see pointer ism, haza, tilka, dhalika, haulai, followed by an ism with al, you are going to tell yourself, oh, this is pointer fragment. This is pointer fragment. And they come together. They come close together, one after another. The Ism Ishara, pointerism like haza, hazihi, dalika, tilka, ulaika, haulai. This pointerism and the one next to it, which is what? An ism with al. Okay. Now you are going to tell me where these are. Just point out and in color. For this is the whole lesson. Okay, we are going to exercise in the next session. We are going to do the exercises in the next session. Today, you just tell me where are the pointer fragment on this page. Okay. Okay. Now tell me.
هذا رجل.
Yes, هذا رجل is pointer fragment or مركب اشاري. Okay, then
ذلك رجل.
Yes, ذلك رجل. Now, is this pointer fragment or some ism tajiri?
No.
This is?
It's not.
This is another fragment, idafa fragment. You just, yes. Now, this one?
هذا البيت.
Yes. This one is what?
Pointer fragment.
Yes. Then?
ذلك البيت.
Yes. Then this one.
هذه السيارة.
Yes. And then?
هذه سيارة.
Yes. Very good. And then again?
تلك التاجري.
No, it is not al. This is harf jar, lit tajiri.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then
so this is harf jar. This is not al. Okay. And then
هذه السيارة.
Very good. So this is هذه السيارة. Okay. Now we just went through the first 4 sentences. Now the rest of the 3 sentences. Liman hazihi sayyaratu.
لمن هذه السيارة لمن
Who is this? Who is this?
who is
For
this
whom
car?
is this car? Or
Whose
this
car
car
is this?
belong? Yeah.
Whose car is this and whose is that?
Yes. Then
هذه السيارة للطبيب وتلك للتاجر.
yes.
This car is
Doctor's car. This
the
is
lady doctor.
no. Lit tabibi, just doctor.
The doctor's car, and that is the merchant's car.
Yes, and that's merchant's car. Okay. Then
هذه السيارة من اليابان من اليابان وتلك من
أمريكا.
هذه this car is from Japan. Yeah. And that is from America.
Yes, very good. Now look at these combinations. This is what?
That's a pointer fragment.
Pointer ism, the first one. Pointer ism. And then
ism with al.
Okay. Do you see the same over here?
Yes.
So this is the rule that these two come together in any sentence, one after another, and after Ism Ishara, there is an ism with al. Okay. And both match in 4 properties. We are going to see how they match in 4 properties, inshallah, next time, in next class. Okay. So that's all for today. And inshallah, we are going to apply those rules next time, and we are going to do the exercise, inshallah. Okay. So that's all for today, and inshallah, we'll meet in the next class. Okay. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Athar, one more thing.